Ano pa man, BS sa
Biology.
BS Bio, BS Entrep, BS Math, BS Chem. Oh, bakit, ano nakita mo dyan among the BS Broadcasting students when it comes to discipline?
Yung discipline pa ng Lord.
Yes.
Pasawin po.
Have you observed something among the BS Broadcasting students which
Opo,
is
ma'am.
very noticeable among the faculty and students as well? Oh, what is your answer?
Meron nga.
Ano yung nakita mo? Noticeable among the BS Broadcasting students. What is that characteristic?
Lagi pang late.
Aha, what else?
Maingay.
Maingay, ano pa? Why? Pero di ba maingay din? But why is it that BS Broadcasting in particular? Ha?
Ano ka ba mga? Lagi lang po siyang, lagi pang late lang.
Late lang.
Absent din po.
Meron pa.
Maingay.
The characteristic, the character traits of the BS Broadcasting students, which is common.
Ano yun? How will you measure the student discipline? O, paano mo na masusukat yung student discipline ninyo? In terms of ano?
In terms of ano yung discipline?
Ano po?
Behavior inside
the classroom.
Huh?
Behavior outside.
Okay. So what are those behavior na nakita mo inside the classroom? Aside